Monsoon brings much needed relief from summer heat. But as the rain pour, do you find yourself waking up with stiffness in the body, knuckles pain, or swollen joint? If yes, then you are not alone. For many, seasonal changes often bring unwelcome health challenges like digestive issue, skin problem, or joint pain. Particularly those with arthritis or weak bone feel it the worst. Ayurveda explains that drop in the temperature and increase in the humidity aggravates Vata, Dosha, leading to stiffness and inflammation. But nature has given us a powerful herb. And guess what? It's already in your kitchen. Shunti, dry ginger, salt, soot, chukka. Ayurveda call it as Mahabeshaj. This Ayurvedic hero has been used for centuries to combat seasonal ailments. It's a natural anti-inflammatory, pain reliever and digestive aid, perfect for monsoon wellness. Here are 7 easy ways to include dry ginger powder in your daily routine. Number 1. Shunti magic paste. Mix dry ginger powder with warm water and a teaspoon of sesame oil. Make a paste of it and apply it on swollen and painful joint for quick relief. Shunti detox water. Take half inch of dry ginger, soak it overnight in a liter of water. Next day, sip it warm throughout the day to reduce toxins and stiffness. It also improves digestion, metabolism and relieves pain, particularly those dealing with chronic inflammation and arthritis. Shunti with warm water. Half teaspoon of dry ginger powder in a cup of water. Drink it twice a day. It improves your digestion and joint health. Shunti tea. Boil small piece of dry ginger with 2 to 3 leaves of mint and tulsi. Add honey. It soothes sore throat and provide immunity support. Shunti with jaggery. A small ball of shunti, dry ginger powder with jaggery boost immunity and joint health. Shunti golden milk. A pinch of dry ginger powder with black pepper powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of warm milk before bed improves sleep and strengthens bone. In cooking, you can sprinkle dry ginger powder to your dal, soup or veggies for daily protection. By including shunti in your daily routine, you can protect your joints and enjoy rain without any discomfort. While shunti has been used traditionally for joint pain and other ailments, it is essential to consult a doctor or an Ayurvedic practitioner to ensure that it is safe for your specific condition.